This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite 3D art kits, including our bakery shop shadow box. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your bakery shop shadow box. In our bag, you will receive a pastry box, some accessories including stickers, pom-poms, clips, and strings, a paper straw, a mini dessert spoon, additional foam stickers, a serving tray, sheets of colored construction paper, a display countertop, a sheet of paper for your backgrounds, and additional patterned scrapbook paper. To begin, you must assemble your pastry box. Start by folding the creased edges on all sides of the box. Fold them in to form the base of the box. Tuck the sides in to secure it in place. Repeat this on the opposite side. Leave the lid open to easily place all the foreground objects in your box. Next, draw, color, and paint your background. Use the colored and patterned paper to add design. In addition to designing your background, create a design for your foreground and display countertop using the accessories provided. Once you are pleased with your design, glue the background to the bottom of the pastry box and the countertop to the bottom side of the box, crease side down. Add the flooring and any additional accessories to your shop display, and even add designs to the outside of the box. Close the lid, and now your shadow box is ready to be displayed and enjoyed. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative ideas.